Welcome to UK's Spy Audit, exposing police overreach, breaking down the law, and defending your right to transparency.
Right? Because now you're antagonising me.
I'm not antagonising.
Yes, you are. You're trying to escalate the situation.
Let me speak.
Step away.
Police building, mate, in this vehicle.
Why not?
Because it could be a crime under sexual report to terrorism.
Yeah, could be.
Yeah.
All right.
What's your name, mate?
What's your name?
PC Harvey from the
Okay.
North East Dog Unit.
Who?
PC Harvey from the North East Dog Unit. Are you one of these auditors that like...
From the North East Dog Unit?
That's it.
So you got dogs in there?
I have.
All right.
Obviously. What's your name, mate? What's your name? Met Control Officer. Mate, just
You're not blocking me in, are you?
side.
No, I'm not coming over to the
Fella.
side. Don't touch me and don't follow me either. Dress me as
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Keep it professional.
Another unit to assist with stuff outside TDJ, please. I've got someone filming the Met building and vehicles going in and out. I'm glad you've come onto the pavement.
No, I don't need to be on the pavement. Don't
Mate,
glad I've
you're
done
going
anything. You
out of the
touch me.
pavement.
Listen,
You're detained
listen.
for a search under section
All
43
right.
of the Terrorism
Yeah,
Act. I'm
okay.
PC Harvey from North East.
All right. What information have you?
The officer immediately asks if he's an auditor. That single question reveals the real issue. He knows this is lawful filming but responds by physically restraining the individual and citing Section 43 of the Terrorism Act. That law is meant for situations where there's objective, reasonable suspicion of terrorist activity, not for someone standing on a public pavement with a camera. Gut feelings, discomfort, or curiosity about security do not justify using such extreme powers.
You've got to
Use some common
detain
sense.
me under that.
Use some common
What
sense.
information have you got to detain me
you
under
let me
that?
speak-
If you're holding me,
If you let me
look,
speak,
you're holding
I'm
my
off
arm.
the pavement.
You're holding my
That's an
arm.
emergency
You're
base.
holding my arm.
Vehicles could come
You're
out
holding
there
my
on blue
arm.
lights.
Yeah, but they're not, are
Okay,
they?
but they might.
But they're not.
And you're blocking that.
They're not.
So come onto the
No.
pavement. It's a...
I'm,
Mate, it's-
listen, the more you drag me,
I'm
the
not
more
dragging
you're
you
gonna,
anywhere.
the more
I'm
you're
trying to
gonna.
put you onto the pavement.
Dude, you don't need to put me on the pavement. I don't want to go on the pavement.
From your behaviour and your
Yeah,
actions,
yeah.
these can be sites that
Can
are
be.
vulnerable to terrorist attacks.
And
okay?
what?
And when
What have you
people-
got? What information have you got to suspect me of that?
Are you gonna?
What information have you got to suspect me of that?
Are you gonna listen, or are you just gonna keep?
Well,
talking
I'm
over
detained,
me?
aren't I?
Huh?
I'm detained, aren't
You
I?
are, but
yeah.
you're asking. You're asking
But I don't
me
have to listen to
questions.
you, do I?
You're asking me questions that
Yeah.
you want the answers to.
Go on then, what's
and
the
every
answer?
time I speak to you, you're talking over me
All right
and not
then.
allowing me to talk.
Go on then, talk.
Okay. So it might be that you're one of these new age auditors that like to, and mate, right, film officers going in to police
That are allowed, did you
buildings
say?
and not.
Did you say that were allowed?
Huh?
What did you say?
I said you might be one of these new auditors, they're called, that like to provoke a response out of the police to try and get something for clicks and likes and views on YouTube. It's like a new trend that people like to do. Also, you could have suspected terrorists potentially that could be doing what's called hostile reconnaissance.
The officer changes his approach, bringing up hostile reconnaissance, a tactic typically associated with planning attacks. While the concept is serious in genuine counter-terrorism contexts, it doesn't apply here. True hostile reconnaissance is secretive and designed to avoid detection. What we have instead is someone standing openly on a public pavement, filming with a phone in broad daylight. There's no concealment, no suspicious behavior, and no intelligence connecting him to any threat. The officer has taken a legitimate security term and misapplied it to lawful public recording, completely unjustified.
And what people do before they may decide to launch a terrorist attack is they like to come and do recce's of the buildings and the vehicles that they might think I'm going to do an attack on that vehicle or that car. That's another reason. Okay, and that's why I've stopped you, and that's why you've been detained.
So why do you suspect me of doing that?
Because that building
Why do you suspect
is
me?
vulnerable.
Why do you suspect me of doing that?
Because of where you are, of what you're doing.
Can I be there?
Huh?
Can I be there?
You can.
Is anything
but-
stopping me from being there?
Huh?
Am I doing a lawful activity?
No, but it's suspicious.
But
isn't
am I
it?
doing a
And
lawful
it's our
activity?
job, but
No,
by
answer that
walking
question.
around-
Answer that question. Am I doing a lawful activity?
What? By filming a police building and vehicles coming in and out of
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
No, mate, it's suspicious.
Oh, it's not. No, but
Okay,
it's
some
lawful though.
people-
It doesn't
some
have to be. So
people-
what if it's suspicious? It's lawful, yeah. It's
lawful,
legal.
yeah,
it's legal.
but
It's
I
legal.
also- but
it's legal.
still-
Stop there.
Okay, so you're still talking
Yeah,
over
because
me?
it's legal. I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Okay.
And you've detained me under Section 43 of the Terrorism
Correct.
Act.
You can
so
Google it if
therefore,
you like.
what information have you got to suspect me
Your
of being a
behaviour.
terrorist?
Your
What's my
behaviour and
behaviour?
your
Because I'm
action.
filming.
Huh?
Because I'm doing
Because
something
you're-
lawfully.
Because you're filming
Am I being unlawful? Am I
building.
breaking the law?
Huh?
Am I breaking the
Yeah,
law?
you've been detained under Section 43.
Yeah, but am I breaking the law?
Okay, what
Am I
I'm gonna
breaking the
do-
law?
I'm getting bored of
Am
this
I breaking the
conversation,
law?
because all you're trying to do.
I'm asking you, am I breaking the law?
And you're trying
no,
to
you're antagonising yourself, and you're trying to make the situation worse.
IG1 or IG2 or IG1 or IG3.
What?
Okay.
What are you
That's
talking
what
about?
people do with these like YouTube videos.
I think you're nuts.
So,
have you been drinking?
Sorry?
Have you been drinking?
No, now you just sound ridiculous.
No, you sound ridiculous. Have you been drinking? Okay.
That power
Fair enough.
gives us, mate, don't do that. That
No, I
could be an
can't do
unmarked
that.
Vehicle.
I don't care if it's an unmarked vehicle. I can stand here and do whatever I want.
That power that under section 43 of the Terrorism Act gives us the power to look at phones that are being used, photos that have been taken on those phones and videos. So that's what I'm going to do on that Samsung at the moment.
This is where the situation really falls apart. The officer asserts that Section 43 of the Terrorism Act allows him to search the auditor's phone and review its photos and videos. That's a serious legal error, and likely the reason the force later faced consequences. Section 43 permits officers to search a person, their clothing, or items they're carrying, but it does not extend to the contents of digital devices. Accessing a phone would require either explicit consent, a court-issued warrant, or Schedule 7 powers, which are only applicable at ports and borders. None of these conditions were present here. The law on this point is clear, and the officer's claim was completely unfounded.
If you'd like to stop.
I wouldn't like to stop. I would like to keep on recording, because I don't think that you're doing something legally by stopping me under Section 43. You haven't told me that you're filming. Yeah, you've got no reason to stop me under Section 43.
That's
crazy. No, it's not few and far between. No, get your facts right.
You can carry on
get your
recording
facts
if
right.
you want, and I'm telling you what's going on at the moment.
Okay, I will carry on
what's your
recording.
name?
I'm not going to tell you my name.
Okay, can you take your bag off?
No.
No, okay, so I'm going to search you with it on your back. So turn around and look at the wall.
Even ignoring the questionable legal basis for the stop, there's a clear problem with proportionality. Yardley remained calm, cooperative, and non-threatening throughout the encounter. Despite that, the officer conducted a full, intrusive search, an approach usually reserved for genuine security incidents. This wasn't about safety, it was about enforcing compliance. When challenged, the officer appeared to use the powers at his disposal to assert control rather than follow proper policing principles. This is a textbook example of disproportionate enforcement.
Can I take your shoulder badge?
Yeah, 6172, sir.
Okay. Can I film publicly on a public footpath? No, I'm asking you, can I film publicly?
I can't explain to you.
He didn't explain anything to me.
Don't explain everything. I'm sure he did.
No, well, all right then. So the question is, can I film publicly can I film on a public footpath?
And I answered that, and I said yes. What you
Okay,
can't
so
do,
there I
and what
can.
is
So if I can,
Listen, I'm not going to get an argument with you.
who's arguing? No one's arguing with you. Don't raise your voice to me. What's your number? You haven't even introduced yourself.
I have actually. I told
you?
you what my name was as soon as I started talking to
Oh
you.
yeah, what is your name?
PC Harvey from the North East.
And what's your number?
6442 Charlie Oscar.
Yeah.
You blind? Can you look at that?
Do you know what? That's discriminative. You shouldn't be asking people if they're blind.
Well,
You know
why
what?
not?
Because if I've got a disability,
if someone
you're taking the mickey out of
No,
it.
I'm not. If
Yeah,
someone
you
wants
are.
to know
Don't
my
ask people if they're
identity
blind like that.
and they're blind,
You
or they
should
have
not
issues
be
with their
asking
eyes,
people that.
They won't be able to see
Yeah,
that,
yeah,
will
yeah.
they?
You was being facetious, and you know
I
it.
wasn't. You're
Yeah,
just
you
trying
was.
to like.
Do you know what?
That's probably their opinion.
Do you know what? No, it's not an opinion. Do you know what?
Well,
Your
it is.
colleague, right, stopped me under Section 43.
Okay.
Yeah? But I've done nothing wrong. I've been filming here. Yeah?
I can't film on behalf of my
No,
colleague,
but I've been
can I?
filming, but I've done nothing wrong.
your
I can't speak on behalf of my colleague, can I?
Yeah, but I'm filming.
I
It's
can't
filming.
speak- I
It's
can't
filming.
speak on behalf of my
Yeah,
colleague. Why are you
but
asking me
is
then?
filming wrong? Can I film? I'm just asking you. No, I'm asking you.
Listen,
I'm asking you though.
Let me finish then.
Okay, go on
Every
then.
time I speak, you speak both
Yeah,
ways.
that's what he said earlier on. Yeah,
Well,
you same
maybe
script.
prove that.
Yeah,
Well, no,
same
because
script.
I went
But I'm
here-
asking you a straight
You did it
question.
again now,
Well,
aren't you?
answer the question. Yes or
Let
no?
me speak before.
Okay. Is that a yes or no answer?
Yes, you can speak.
Oh, so I can film, yeah?
And he's told that to
I can
you.
film. So,
I've heard him say
if
to
I
you,
can
I'm just
film,
gonna do it.
why is he stopping me under Section 43?
I'm not him. I don't know.
This moment completely undermines the detention. Yardley simply asks, "Can I film in public?" The second officer finally responds, "Yes, you can." That admission alone invalidates the reasoning behind invoking Section 43 powers. If public filming is lawful, then what legal grounds justify treating this as a terrorism-related incident? The officer then adds, "I am not him. I don't know." That's not deflection, it's confirmation that no solid justification existed for the detention. In cases where terrorism legislation is involved, there should be clear, evidence-based grounds. Here, it's obvious the initial detention was based on assumption rather than lawful suspicion.
Alright,
You see?
so there you go then.
He's not you, he doesn't know. If it was him, he wouldn't have stopped me. You know why? Because I can
probably will,
film
that's what
on
we
the
might do.
street, legally, lawfully. You know? Stop trying to abuse my rights. My rights, you were and you are. Don't make me, don't put your hand on me. Do not put your hand on me. I can put this anywhere I like.
Don't your face.
No,
No,
listen,
it's threatening
you
me.
are standing close to
stand
me.
there.
No,
You
you
film
go
there.
away.
No, you
Go
film-
away.
listen.
You step away.
No, I won't.
Right? Because now you're antagonising
No,
me.
I'm not antagonising
Yes,
you.
you are. You're trying to escalate the situation.
let me speak?
Step
You let me
away.
speak?
Step away
No, I
and do
won't.
not touch me.
No, I won't.
Well then, I'm not going to let you speak. I don't want to touch. Look, you're doing it again. You're doing it again.
threaten
You're
me.
threatening me. You
Feel.
are threatening
You
me.
can feel.
You are causing me alarm and
Feel.
distress. You're such a
then.
way away from me. You do not need to outstretch your hand.
stand there then.
I can stand
stand
where
there.
I like.
Don't put it in someone's face.
I can stand where I like.
Stop being in my face.
I can put this in my face.
No, 'cause
Oh,
stand away
do you know?
from me.
I'm
One
not
distance
going near
away.
you. I'm not going near you, but I can put it in your face
Oh,
if I like.
this way.
Okay.
That's fine.
Yeah, cool.
That's
You got
fine.
an arm distance, I've got an arm distance.
That's fine then. But
Yeah.
not put it in his face like you were doing.
I can do what I want.
Like, no you can't.
Yes, I can actually.
can't, my
I
friend.
can.
Hey.
The second officer begins moving in a confrontational manner, extending his arms and stepping closer, insisting Yardley stay back, as if any law had been broken. Yardley posed no threat and maintained a reasonable distance, simply asserting his lawful rights. The officer created tension where none existed. This is intimidation masked as safety protocol. The intent wasn't protection, it was to provoke. Any defensive reaction from Yardley could have been used to justify further escalation, potentially even an arrest or unfounded charges.
I'm not trying to antagonise you.
No, you are.
You're the
You said
bully.
yes.
Huh?
What's the surname?
What's yours?
Harvey, I told you already.
Okay,
about
fair
3 or 4
enough. Well, we'll put
times.
yours
Yeah,
down.
I've been here.
So what?
Assuming you arrested this person, yeah?
They're 43,
Right, step back. Don't go anywhere near me.
No.
There you go. Right.
Move.
What's your surname?
Yeah, that's the
What's your first name?
Are you walking forward? Look, see that line? Don't
walking
step
around
over that
circle.
line. Don't step over that line. There, you're
tell
trying
me
to
what to
follow
do.
me. You're trying to follow. Look, see, you've got your hand. Listen, you can put yours up, but I can't.
I thought it was my fighting arm.
Well,
I don't
I'm
know
not-
you. I never met you before in my life.
I don't care.
I don't know what you got on you.
So
Alright?
what? He does. He searched me.
Do you want to just show us the gallery on the phone of the photos that you've taken in the videos?
And
You have
what's
to do that under the law.
I have to do that under
Yeah,
the law.
yeah, under
Actually,
section 43.
let me just say something to you.
Go on.
Right, hold on. Where's my thing? Give me my stop slip.
I'm going to give it to you in a minute once we're finished.
Okay, let me just say something before
Go
I
on.
turn this off and show you.
You don't
yeah?
have to turn it off, but you can
No,
keep
I
it
will have to
recorded.
turn it off. How can I record if I've got to show you stuff?
Because you can keep the app going, can't you?
What app? My filming app.
I don't know, whatever you're
Well, that's
using
what
to
I'm
film.
filming you. But let me just tell you something. Yeah.
Go on.
I don't want you to look at my personal property.
Right.
Yeah. Under section 43.
Yeah.
It doesn't say that you can look under my property.
Okay.
What are you looking for?
Similar sort of things at other protected sites.
No, what are you looking for? Be specific.
Photographs
Of-
and films
yeah.
of other police buildings, and if there's a pattern of behaviour.
But obviously,
I've already explained
But
it to you
obviously,
when I
I
first
film
started.
police buildings. But what did you say I was?
Huh?
What did you say I could be?
A terrorist.
No, you didn't say that as
Yes,
well.
I did.
2 things you said.
Mate,
What was
it's
the
all
other
on
thing?
here, bruv.
What was the other thing? Don't brother me. What was the other thing you said?
I don't know. Go on.
Oh, you can't
enlighten me.
remember?
No.
You said 2 things. You said you
Go
could be one of these new.
Oh, an auditor.
Okay.